Video sabi lo gasel.
Now we are participating and attending the Seniors Tribute 2025 Business Builders Batch 2025 Pilgrims of Hope, Celebrity Achievements and Aspirations. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now on the processional.
Sunod lang mo sa kanto.
University President, Dr. Marcor Flores, Vice President, Academic Affairs, Engineer Carol P. Tubo, OIC, College of Business and Information Technology, respected program chairs, honored faculty and administrators, parents, and most especially our senior students. Mayong hapon sa tanan. Upon receiving the invitation that I will be speaking in front today, parang hesitant ko, no? It's because at this time of my life, medyo daghang demand sa life. But then, of course, I am a Polinian, dili gyud na ko siya ma-deny. Dili gyud ko ka balibad, no? So with grateful heart and so much joy, stepping back into this beloved campus of St. Paul University, Dumaguete feels like a revisitation of my past. Ang air-conditioned classrooms, na-miss gid na ko siya. Our state-of-the-art facilities, kanang tinuod yun nga maka-hands-on ang students. Our competent teachers, which some of them are still here, no, they are so amazing. They became our good friends, our advisors, no, sa real life, no, even outside of St. Paul University na. And now being invited as a guest speaker for this momentous event is a true honor and privilege for me. Because a few moments from now, your social media feeds will be overflooded with photos, gratitude, no, for this event, and words of pride. Dili ba? Dili ba? Yes, of course. Nowadays, it's already part of the celebration. Yes, mag-post sa Facebook. Every snapshot presents a moment, turning memories into treasures. We can revisit anytime and anywhere. But the real celebration is right here, in this hall, where we all gathered in the spirit of thanksgiving and achievement. I am a proud Polinian. What about you? What about you? Yes, hinay lang ko kay nagkaon sila. I can see that some of them are eating already, no? So yes, we are very proud to be Polinian. I am who I am now because of St. Paul University, Dumaguete. It is more than just a school for me. Okay. It is a place where it shaped my values, my character, and my dreams. The lessons I learned, the people I met, the challenges molded me into a person
Thank
I've
you.
become. This moment is a shared victory of the students who dare to dream
Eating
and
time.
of parents who believe in them every step of the way. College life is never easy, and I tell you, there are still so many high mountains to climb. So, senior students, make yourselves ready and equipped. Equipped with knowledge and skills, because nowadays it's all about the skills, the credential, and of course, having the heart to keep going. Would you believe nga dili di ay tanan nga nag-eskwela sa St. Paul University Adunahan? Yes. And I can attest to that. Ang uban, naalam yo'y kaya. No? Naay kaya nga mo manuhit. Naay kaya nga mo sacrifice. Of course, manuhit po. Kaya grabe ang exam na to, no? One seat apart, dayon, dili na mapanuhit karon kaya imong seatmate, dili na classmate ni mo. Like in Don Bosco, mo ba? But anyway, ang St. Paul strict to yun siya. But then, because of that, it molded us to who we are today. So that time, college life for me was not easy. It was a constant juggle of schedules with broken time and deadlines with so many subjects to comply. Makarinig mo? Yes, dahil kayong project, assignments, and kuban pa, no, laboratory activities na we need to comply. Sige, jutog pa ninja moods that time, to be honest. Wala kabalo ang mga teachers. Kamo? Curly, kamo ninja gapon? Ninja good. Okay? Because I don't want, ako ay the type of person, I don't want to bring Live MC, Departmental Award, Agility. Escobedo Mary Eve, Departmental Award, Creative Heads. Institutional Award, Service, Junior Philippine Institute of Accountants, Bronze. Yabata Roshena, Departmental Award, Rhythmic Movement.
May this recognition serve as a beacon of inspiration, encouraging you to pursue continued success and to uphold the highest standards in all your future endeavors. We express our sincere appreciation to our faculty, staff, and students whose commitment and efforts have made this event possible.
This officially marks the end of the College of Business and Information Technology Seniors Tribute. It has been a great honor to serve you during this momentous occasion. I am Justin Margragpa, your master.
And I am Maria Sangova, your lady of ceremony. Once again, congratulations to all our distinguished seniors and to their proud parents.
This concludes the 2025 College of Business and Information Technology Seniors Tribute.
Thank you all for your presence and participation.
We wish you a safe and pleasant day ahead.
Caritas Christi Ordenas.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the recession.
Picture today. Oh. One by one.
Of our dear students, truly, today signifies the culmination of many years of hard work in the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The knowledge that will enable a person to embrace opportunities and take on challenges with a clear vision and purpose.